Welcome to ICRA Juvenile e-learning platform. Copy paste and general keyboard shortcuts. Ctrl X equals cut the selected item. Ctrl C or Ctrl Insert equals copy the selected item. Ctrl V or Shift Insert equals paste the selected item. Ctrl Z equals undo an action. Alt Tab equals switch between open apps. Alt F4 equals close the active item or exit the active app. Windows logo key L equals lock your PC. Windows logo key D equals display and hide the desktop. F2 equals rename the selected item. F3 equals search for a file or folder in File Explorer. F4 equals display the address bar list in File Explorer. F5 equals refresh the active window. F6 equals cycle through screen elements in a window or on the desktop. F10 equals activate the menu bar in the active app. Alt F8 equals show your password on the sign-in screen. Alt ESC equals cycle through items in the order in which they were opened. Alt underlined letter equals perform the command for that letter. Alt enter equals display properties for the selected item. Alt spacebar equals open the shortcut menu for the active window. Alt left arrow equals go back. Alt right arrow equals go forward. Alt page up equals move up one screen. Alt page down equals move down one screen. Ctrl F4 equals close the active document in apps that are full screen and let you have multiple documents open at the same time. Ctrl A equals select all items in a document or window. Ctrl D or delete equals delete the selected item and move it to the recycle bin. Ctrl E equals open search in most apps. Ctrl R or F5 equals refresh the active window. Ctrl Y equals redo an action. Ctrl right arrow equals move the cursor to the beginning of the next word. Ctrl left arrow equals move the cursor to the beginning of the previous word. Ctrl down arrow equals move the cursor to the beginning of the next paragraph. Ctrl up arrow equals move the cursor to the beginning of the previous paragraph. Ctrl Alt Tab equals use the arrow keys to switch between all open apps. Alt Shift arrow keys equals when a group or tile is in focus on the start menu, move it in the direction specified. Ctrl Shift arrow keys equals when a tile is in focus on the start menu, move it into another tile to create a folder. Ctrl arrow keys equals resize the start menu when it's open. Ctrl arrow key to move to an item. Spacebar equals select multiple individual items in a window or on the desktop. Ctrl Shift with an arrow key equals select a block of text. Ctrl ESC equals open start. Ctrl Shift ESC equals open task manager. Ctrl Shift equals switch the keyboard layout when multiple keyboard layouts are available. Ctrl spacebar equals turn the Chinese input method editor on or off. Shift F10 equals display the shortcut menu for the selected item. Shift with any arrow key equals select more than one item in a window or on the desktop or select text in a document. Shift delete equals delete the selected item without moving it to the recycle bin first. Right arrow equals open the next menu to the right or open a submenu. Left arrow equals open the next menu to the left or close a submenu. ESC equals stop or leave the current task. PRTSCN equals take a screenshot of your whole screen and copy it to the clipboard. Note, you can change this shortcut so it also opens screen snipping, which lets you edit your screenshot. Select Start Settings Accessibility Keyboard and set Use the Print Screen button to open screen snipping to on.